Hello friends, welcome to Monkey Art, and today we are going to draw Rubble from Paw Patrol. I call him Rubble Bubble, Rubble Bubble Bubble. Yeah, and we're gonna need some markers, then we're gonna need one piece of paper and one black marker to draw. So if you're ready guys, we can get started. So we're gonna first draw his little nosy nose, and it's gonna go like that. Then we're gonna put a little line below and another line, and then we're gonna make his mouth and a little tiny tooth, just like that. Then we're gonna make his bottom part of the mouth, his chin, which is gonna go all the way here. And now we can draw his little eyes. So we're gonna go somewhere here and make a half circle. And we're going to draw another eye all the way here, just like that. Then let's make two small circles and one big, and here as well. And color in black. Cool, looking awesome. And now let's color also his nosy nose. So we're gonna add circle and color around, just like that. Now let's add him some eyebrows. And another one. Now we're gonna make his little and we're gonna make a shape just like this all the way from, let's say, this point and going down, 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 down. That's good. And here we're gonna make a little line going up, 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 up. And then we're gonna draw a little ear of his, which will go like this, and then there we go. Okay. Now we're gonna go a little bit up and make his little hats. And let's make another line going all the way here. And then we're gonna make a little like curvy shape, just like that. And then another one, and another one, just like that. Now we can finish this, make a little line, and there we go. We can also add those little lines around his eyes, and they go something like this. And on this side, and something just like that. Cool, that's looking lovely. And now we're gonna go down, and we're gonna make his little body. It's gonna go like this, and his back. Now we're gonna make his little legs. So we're gonna go like this, and then another line, and then we're gonna go here, one more, and one more, just like that. And now we can make that little vest of his. This line a little bit longer, and add another little leg, and up, 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 and there we go. Little color. And let's go here and finish his vest so that we can draw his back leg, and it's gonna go here. One, two, just like that, and we can add another little leg. Let's see, maybe here or here, maybe here it can go, and there we go, guys. Simple as that. And now we can go and ask Monkey for that magic color. Monkey, where are you? Oh, here I am, here I am. Do you need some coloring? Yeah, we need. Do you have your magic wand? Oh yeah, here it is. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. And there we go, guys. We have finished Rubble. And we're gonna give him a little check mark and a little heart because we love our little Rubble, and he's alive. Woof 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 woof. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.